2017 Land Rover Discovery Sport. The not-before-time replacement for the Freelander. The Land Rover Discovery Sport uses the Evoque chassis architecture, but has a brand new rear suspension design that's specifically been incorporated to allow the packaging of 7 seats as standard in every model. This in itself is a major selling point, but it's boosted further here by strong design language and Land Rover's brand image, which takes the Disco Sport further up market. Just a year after it launched, there's been a huge change for the range. Out goes the old 2.2-liter TD4 engine and in comes JLR's new 2.0-liter TD4 Ingenium motor. This is the one the car's been crying out for. So, is it any good? Yes, in answer to our question, that engine is good. It delivers the performance, refinement and clatter-free quality you'd expect of a premium SUV, and means the Sport no longer sounds like a transit van. Such a pity it wasn't in it from the start. Let's hope the model doesn't suffer because of it. Besides, we've never had any issue with the way the Disco drives. It's smooth, soothing and wonderfully calm. You do need to option the 1,800 pounds 9-speed automatic gearbox to make the most of it, but if you do, you're getting an experience that really isn't that far detached from a Range Rover's. And yes, it'll do all the off-road stuff you expect. And much, much more. It's lovely inside, the Disco Sport, smart, airy and less ostentatious than the Evoque, plus it feels commendably well screwed together. Our car did have occasional sat-nav glitches, and the touchscreen infotainment system isn't attached on the latest touting BMW arrangements. Focus instead on people and luggage carrying ability. Those rearmost seats aren't that capacious, but the middle row slides over a long 160mm range, which makes the rear row tolerable, or alternatively gives those in the center row huge leg space. Fold those back seats down and you've got between 480 and 689 liters of boot space. All told, it's a far more attractive, practical package than the old Freelander. Land Rover is a top-notch brand these days, so feels justified in charging steep prices for its cars. Prices start at £34,600, okay, £31,095 if you're happy to shift gears yourself. But at least SC trim does come with everything you need, including cruise, climate, DAB, Bluetooth, heated seats and half-leather trim. Moving up the range adds to the decadence, Windsor leather anyone, which makes it feel more like a Range Rover than ever. Used values should be strong, probably even more so with the new engine. We can see the old one taking a bit of a hit on the used market due to its greater noise and thirst. Who'd be an early adopter, huh?
Thank you.